Hello student, today we are discuss about atomic structure. So student, you know that atom is formed from the nucleus and the extranuclear part. These contain three types of subatomic particles. So start with nucleus. Student, atomic nucleus is a positively charged and almost the entire mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus. These nucleus contain positively charged proton and chargeless neutron. Nucleus contain proton and neutron. Together we called nucleon. So, study of proton. Proton is a positively charged subatomic particle in the atomic nucleus. The positive charge on the nucleus is due to the proton in it. Proton represented by symbol P. It carry positive charge plus 1 electron. Its magnitude to equal to the number of proton in the nucleus. And student, the number of proton in the nucleus of an atom is the atomic number of that element. That means number of proton is just equal to the atomic number represented by capital Z. And 1 unit equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to power 27 kilogram. Now we are discuss neutron. Now you know that neutron is electrically neutral, denoted by small n. The number of neutron in the nucleus denoted by capital N. The mass of neutron is approximately 1 unit, which is almost equal to that of proton. Now we are discuss about extranuclear part. Extranuclear part, whereas electron revolve around the nucleus in a specific shell or orbital. So these electrons are negatively charged, denoted by small e. Mass of an electron is 1800 times less than that of hydrogen atom. Therefore, the mass of an electron can be treated as a negligible. Electron is the extranuclear part, revolve is the discrete orbit around the nucleus. And student, number of electron in the extranuclear part is equal to the number of proton. That means in an atom or element, number of proton and number of electron are same. Therefore, electrically charged are balanced and the atom is electrically neutral. If we are observe these example of hydrogen, then center part in hydrogen, oxygen, sodium, center part is called nucleus. This nucleus contain proton and neutron. Proton has positive charge, neutron has chargeless, and negative charge electron revolve to the nucleus. Okay, so in single diagram we can observe atomic structure. Proton positive charge, electron chargeless, electron negative charge, neutron has chargeless. These we represent proton, neutron, electron and valence electron. So proton positive charge present in a nucleus, neutron chargeless present in a nucleus, electron negative charge revolve to the nucleus. Here we show another heading, valence electron. Valence electron means the number of electron present in the outermost shell of electron. Atomic number means number of proton. Atomic mass means number of proton plus number of neutron. That means P plus N means atomic mass. Atomic mass in unit we can represent AMU, the unit that the mass of an atom and its particles are measured. Here we show three-dimensional structure of an atom. In a center consists nucleus. This nucleus consists positively charged proton, chargeless neutron. Combinedly we can say that it's a nucleon. And negatively charged electron revolve around the nucleus. Here another example, atom consists small positively charged nucleus surrounded by cloud of negatively charged electron. Nucleus consists P plus N, proton and neutron. Number of proton in the nucleus is called atomic number. Represent by Z. Number of proton plus number of neutron is called atomic mass. So we can study atomic structure.